join my new channel which Anime Presents Anvi Vlogs. So let's move to a video. As you can see, COVID is spreading too much. So let's see some precautions that we have to take during the COVID session. So our first precaution is sit in sun for 15 to 20 minutes. Second, rest and sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours. Third, drink and a half liter of water warm per day. All food should be hot, not cold. So you first is you have to sit above the sun for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rest and sleep for at least 7 to 8 hours. That's because you guys are not completing your sleep. So kindly complete your sleep and almost just at least you have to sleep 7 to 8 hours. That is very important. And then drink 1 or half liter of water daily basis. And all food should be hot. Means like आप कोई भी food ले रहे हो तो वो hot ही लो. कोई बासी खाना मत खाइए. And कोई भी ठंडा खाना हो तो like cold drinks, ठंडा पानी, फ्रिज का पानी वो हमें नहीं पीना. Okay, so keep these things in our mind and kindly cooperate with this COVID. So that's it. There are some precautions that you have to follow in your daily life. So हमें mostly COVID के जो भी symptoms आते हैं अब हम वो देखेंगे 3 phases. So this is our first phase that we suffered from COVID. So our first phase will be this. First, body pain, eye pain, headache, vomiting, diarrhea, runny nose, decomposition, burning eyes, burning when urinating, feeling feverish, suffered throat. So first means first to third day, you'll having these symptoms 1 to 3rd day. First is body pain that you will be suffered from. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा बॉडी पेन होगा एंड आई पेन होगा, हेडेक होगा, देन आपको वॉमिटिंग होगी, देन डायरिया, यू विल सफर फ्रॉम डायरिया एंड देन यू विल सफर फ्रॉम रनी नोज and then decomposition, then burning eyes. Burning eyes means the red eyes. You will be suffering from the red eyes. Means आपकी आंखें जो है red हो जाएंगी पूरी. And then burning when urinating. Then feeling feverish. Feeling feverish means you will be having high fever, and then suffered throat means sore throat. आपका गला सूखा हो जाएगा. So now let's read our second phase. Means we have to go to 8 day. Now let's see that. So our second phase is this, and I already told you that from 4 to 8 day. So first loss of taste or smell, then second fatigue with minimal effort, then chest pain in the rib cage, then tightening of chest, pain in the lower back in the kidney area. So first you'll be having loss of taste, means आपका taste चला जाएगा and आपको smell भी नहीं आएगी. Then you'll having fatigue with the minimal effort, means आपको बहुत ज़्यादा weakness होगी, आपको थका सा feel होगा. Then you'll be having chest pain in the rib cage. So आपको chest pain होगा आपकी rib cage में. So means then you will be having tightening of chest, means आपके tight सा रहेगा तो इसमें. Then you will be having pain in the lower back. So आपके फिर back में भी pain होगा थोड़ा सा near kidney area. Okay, so as you have already read that 4 to 8 days you will be having these symptoms. Okay, so now let's see about our third phase. As here is already mentioned, third phase, healing phase means you will be suffering from oxygen. आपको oxygen नहीं मिलेगा. So you should not delay your treatment. So the sooner as be treated as soon as possible. So all of you think that कि बस गर्म पानी पी लिया है तो वो सही रहेगा कोविड के लिए. नो, आपको बस गर्म पानी नहीं पीना है, ऑल द प्रिकॉशंस फॉलो करने हैं because through warm water keeps the throat moist and the body hydrated But it isn't enough to prevent the new COVID strain, as the new strain arrived behind the paranasal sinus of a nose for 3 to 4 days. The hot water we drink does not reach there after 4 to 5 days. The virus that was hidden behind the parasonal sinus reaches our lungs and result in difficulty in breathing, etc. So that's why it is the answer of that question, that is drinking warm water enough? No, it is not enough. And here's the reason. So next read about that the new COVID wave isn't a joke, and now with the new symptoms as well as asymptomatic patient situation now are more crucial, and one should spread the information about the symptoms and most importantly about the prevention measures. So you can ping your local medical shops and ask them about the steam inhalation and big paper capsules, and take the steam at night. Also, always have purified water and work out a bit. That means you have this exercise, work out that. So here is one capsule that you have to take a steam of that. You can, as you can see on the screen, Cargol Plus capsule. So cut the tip of the capsule, drop it in the container containing the warm water, cover the container for a few seconds and then uncover it container, thereby take the steam in presence of an adult. तो आपको जैसे में स्टेप्स दे रखे हैं, आपको वो फॉलो करने हैं, एंड कोई अडल्ट हो आपके साथ, आप कभी स्टीम को ले लीजिएगा, एंड इनहेलेशन शुड बी डन प्रॉपर्ली so that you don't get a burn, and please don't go extreme. So here are some common rules that you will have to follow when you will have small babies in your home. So as soon as anyone in the family starts showing COVID symptoms, fever, cold, cough, body ache, headache, breathing trouble, etc., isolate that person in one room. Then get everyone tested in the family who has had contact with the person showing symptoms. Then babies don't need to get tested. There's no point putting them through the misery of the test, because irrespective of the result, you can't isolate them. So next is inform your baby's pediatrician. Means जो भी आपकी बेबी की केयर करता हो, the moment anyone in the family tests positive. Then most pediatricians will not advise to start many precautionary medicine until the baby starts showing any symptoms. You can, however, ask your pediatrician if you can start a multivitamin syrup for your baby, like A to Z, Kidney Care, Zincovet, or etc. Dosage will be advised by parent depending upon baby age and weight. Try to wear a double mask around the baby as much as you can, and sanitize your hands before handling the baby. Wearing a mask can become difficult with older babies who can cry on seeing the mask, or remove the mask from your face. In those cases, don't worry, there are high chance that baby is already exposed to the virus. Just try as much as you can. Keep a sanitizer bottle handy in every room, and cough or sneeze in a handkerchief. Check your baby temperature twice. In case your baby starts showing any symptoms like fever, cold, cough, diarrhea, please consult a pediatrician and religiously follow medication prescribed by them. Don't try home remedies in this case. Keep them updated on your baby's health every day. Babies are not affected by the virus in the same degree as adults. Some babies show no symptoms throughout, whereas some usually get a mild fever for 2 to 3 days, or a cold or cough. Keep your baby hydrated. If babies continue to VF or FF as much and if 6 meter offered water to the baby every hour along with VF or FF. If baby does not like water, try infusing with any fruit or lemon to enhance its taste. Ensure a baby is eating well. Give whatever your baby likes to eat. This is not the time to do the experiment. If baby is unwell, ensure baby is consuming at least 60 to 70% of his usual diet. Give your baby fruit and one to food rich vitamin C every day. Kiwi like kiwi, papaya, mango, orange, broccoli, lemon, strawberry, tomato. Then include protein in baby's diet to increase immunity. Chicken soup, paneer, curd, egg, nuts, and a powder or a paste form or breast milk. Then continue to give 400 IU of vitamin 3 D3 drops to your baby every day for babies who is 1 year old. Then keep your baby surrounding clean, toys, floor, bedsheet, and disinfect them frequently. Get your baby in open air at least twice a day in your balcony, terrace, garden, etc. Don't venture outside for walks or play. Keep changing your baby's play environment if possible. Rotate toys, play mat, or a swing, or a play gem, or a play pen, or a crib. Then ensure baby is taking age-appropriate naps and night sleeps. Hold baby for naps if required. A well-slept baby is a healthy baby. COVID-positive moms can continue to co-sleep. Fill your bathroom with steam by running hot water on a steamer and sit inside with your baby at least once a day. If your mother is positive, then she should take utmost care of her herself, medicines, food, water, kada and steam, so that she can take care of her baby. Don't isolate yourself from your baby and breastfeed as much helps in transferring antibodies. So don't stress a lot. Babies pick up your energy and react to it. Remember that babies usually recover in a matter of a